Hi and welcome to Sistaco. I'm so excited to be here today to talk all things mineral bond nails and walk you through your very first mineral bond nail set. I have Claire with me here today, and Claire is going to be a first-time Sistaco user, which is a great opportunity for me to walk through all of the steps of how to use your Sistaco set for the very first time. This is our brand new mineral bond nail set, which comes with everything that you need to do your nails and to remove your nails really, really easily. So obviously you get your instruction booklets, and please make sure you read those. They are very, very handy and have a lot of tips and tricks for your application. This is what your set looks like on the inside. There are a lot of things we've recently changed about our mineral bond nail set, so definitely stay tuned on this video to see all of the new things that we've updated. The first one that I want to show you is we obviously include your base coat and your top coat, but we have now updated the bottles to have the thicker lids, and this helps with precision of your application. You obviously also get the 3 colors of your choice, which is so exciting. You can choose any shades that you like on our website. You get your LED lamp to use, and there's a couple of tips I'll show you about that one, and your design your own shade pots. This is for mixing up all of your colors to create your own custom shade. I'm wearing a custom shade on my nails today. We also have your mineral bond applicator, which is double-sided, and your erase pads for easy removal, which I'm also going to walk you through today. One of the very first things that you want to do when you get your mineral bond nail set is take out your LED lamp. Now, this is a little trick that some people forget, and that is underneath there is a blue film on all 3 sides of the lamp. This needs to be removed before you use your lamp for the first time. This protects it while in transport. So Claire is going to remove that now. How'd you go? All done? Yeah, amazing. So this is what it will look like at the end. You've got that mirrored finish on there, which allows you to have the longevity of your application that you want. Something else very important to note when you are applying your Sistaco powders is on the bottom, there is a type of powder. So you can see on this label here, I'll give you that one actually, there you go. On this label here, the color we're going to be applying today is from our holographic range. So this is rose gold, which is one of our most popular shades. So it says on the bottom, holographic range. But if I was to take another one of my colors from my set, this one here is the beautiful color Misty. This one is actually from our classic range. Now it is very important that you check what range your color is from, because it will actually change the application instructions. And at the front you can see here we have application instructions for holographic and metallic colors, and a slightly different application instruction for classic powders, and there is even more types of powders and their applications. So very important that you are checking on the bottom here and then following the application type for the powder type as well. I think that we're pretty much ready to get started. So Claire is very excited to try Sistaco for the first time, and let's jump straight into it. So let's jump into our holographic rose gold application. So let's grab our rose gold and let's show everyone where you can see what type of color it is. Holographic rose gold, amazing. We're going to be taking off the seal. So this is a first time thing with any of your colors, and see that little disc underneath? We want to keep that. So we don't throw that away. That's a common mistake that some people make. And look at that powder. Let's jump in with our base coat. We're just going to lightly apply this onto our nails, and we want to do a thin layer. Now you don't need to set between, so let's pop a thin layer now of our top coat. The lamp again, and let's jump in with our mineral bond applicator and dip that into your rose gold powder pot. I love this powder, it's so pretty. Okay, so what you want to do is just rub backwards and forwards. Perfect.
Should I do more or?
No, that's looking really good. And now let's jump into with our top coat. Like I said, we don't have to worry about our edges at this stage because they will just wash off. So go straight over with the top coat, and then we're just going to set that again. And then we're just going to pop that under the lamp again.
crescent horn.
Yep. Perfect. Amazing. So we are all done. That is Claire's first holographic application with rose gold. Let's show. Yeah.
I'm obsessed with how this turned out.
So fun. So now I think would be a really good idea for us to show you a classic application on the other hand. So something a little bit different, slightly different steps to follow as well. So let's get into it. Okay, so for our classic color today, Claire, we're going to be doing shimmer. So on the bottom, this one says classic range. So that's how you know it is from a classic collection. We're going to open that one up, take off that little seal. Let's jump in with our base coat. Under the lamp again. Go in with our mineral bond applicator and our shimmer powder. So same process, dipping that in.
Lightly tap.
So what we're going to do actually for this is we're just going to actually have a little bit more powder. So maybe dip again, then our holographic and metallic. Yeah.
That look good?
Yeah. And then brush from base to tip very lightly. Amazing.
Looking good?
Looking good.
Get some of this excess off here.
And then we just go straight in now with our top coat.
How does that look?
Perfect. Now let's pop it back in the lamp.
Okay.
So Claire has just finished her first sister application. We've got a classic color shimmer on this side and our holographic rose gold on the left hand.